Hi everyone. I hope you all are doing well, and I'm really sorry I've come back after a really long time. And there are multiple video reasons for that, and feel free to leave a comment if you would like to listen to more of my journey in data science in the future videos. But for now, I'll be cutting it precise and to the point, and I'll be back with the Strata Scratch problems that I have always been solving. And today I'll be solving a SQL problem known as new products. Now, beware that I have not been using SQL since a long time, given the kind of role I'm doing right now at my new workplace. I will also be learning SQL back again with all of you. So feel free to leave comments if you have any better suggestions in doing so. So this is a medium problem, and this was back in December 2020, being offered by Tesla and Salesforce for different roles. So let's get started. Here they're asking you to simply, given a table of launches by company by year, you need to write a query to count the net differences between the number of products the company launched in 2020 with the number of the products the company launched in 2019. We need to output the name of the companies and the net difference of net products released for 2020 compared to the previous year. So in essence, you're just being asked by the company to, hey, give us the difference between the number of products we had this year versus like next year. And this could really be really important in roles of sales or in finances to try to understand the revenue or where the company's outlook is being seen in for the formative coming years. So let's get started. So I'm gonna just first see what does the table look like. So let's start from car launches, and if we run this code, we will notice that the product name and the company name is here, and we need to basically find a way to filter. We need to count the products and filter it based on each year, right? So we need to use a count operation and a filter operation because they're telling you to find a net difference between the products. And in order to find a net difference between the products, we need to have a count, a filter, a count operation in such that we count all the products for each of the companies. We need to filter it based on the year because that is how you find a net product difference. So let's try to do it for just the year 2020. So then it will become easier for us to do it for the next year by just subtracting it, right? So let's get started. So first, like I said, we need the company name, and we need to count the product name, and then we need to filter where year equals to 2020, and then we need to group by company name so we can use the count operation for the products. Let's see if we run this code. Okay, perfect. So this is working. So like I said, we had to use the count, the filter, and the group by operation. Was if you want to use the count operation, you need to have a group by clause in it. And for filtering, we need to find the net product difference. So we need to filter it for each year. Now we have the year 2020, and the simplest thing to do is to just subtract it. And I'm going to intend it to make it look a bit cleaner. And we need to find a net difference, right? So if you want to find a net difference, you just to count product name, filter where year equals to 2019. So we have, this is the answer for the net difference because we have the count product for the year 2020 and I've subtracted with the year 2019. And I think this was it. This was the simplest problem, and I'm pretty sure I solved it in under 5 minutes. Probably not the fastest, but hopefully I will get faster in the near videos. And yeah, I hope it was very clear, the explanation, and feel free to leave any comments if you thought there were better suggestions, and feel free to also leave comments if there are certain problems within Strata Scratch that you would like me to solve or lead code that you would like me to solve, and any concepts within the AI and machine learning space that you would help with which which I can help demystify. I know ChatGPT is here, and there are a lot of things that people are being using ChatGPT for, but there's always this human touch that allows the person to hopefully understand things better and more intuitively. So feel free to leave in the comments next suggestions for my upcoming videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.